guys, what's up? In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make DIY beaded friendship bracelets. These turned out super nice and they're perfect for summertime. So if you want to learn how to make DIY beaded friendship bracelets, keep on watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.